so tired. Anyways, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Okay. For one, happy Thanksgiving. Period. For two, I'm vlogging today. And I just died on that.
I think I found cookies at Walmart. So let's go.
It ain't even cold outside. Cause last Thanksgiving I wore a 2-piece with boots.
Yeah, there's the night.
It's hey y'all. It's 8:50.
Huh? You ain't used to being up early?
I wake up this early all the time.
So why you acting surprised?
I don't know.
Now you need to come on. You still ain't ready.
I'm ready.
You going like that?
Yeah,
Oh.
Okay.
I don't think it's nothing. I just think you wasn't going like that.
Then just get cute just to come back and get cute.
No, it's get regular just in case you meet your future husband.
He gonna see me like this when we get married. So
I'm running if I see you like that and I don't know your ass.
girl, I'm cute.
I mean, you don't gotta run, but I'm not.
You mean? She real mean. I heard what she said. She said
I don't
she
mean running, but like.
She said she running.
Like, if you look like that girl and your future husband and stuff, you'll be like, oh, she looks so good. Let me get your number, little mama. Then you can look as ratchet as the fuck you want. You know? You can look as ratchet as the fuck you want.
I look like this so I won't get talked to. I was gonna take my hair out the bonnet, but no. This is real. This is me. I hate when I wake up in the morning. My face looks so puffy. Water. Yeah, water. Look at that. I just stepped in that. Yeah, we at Walgreens. If y'all believe me, I'm not fully up. I'm just here, you know. 9:23. Look at that.
I got my share. This is after
Some stuff from Walgreens. Now we're at Dollar Tree. Y'all saw that fly? Y'all ain't nobody out here. Who? What is that? Orange 3 Fitness.
That's a gym. Look, come look. Let's look what they do.
What the hell? Why they at the gym today? She said we should go to the gym today.
So y'all, now we're at Dollar Tree.
Yeah, we at Bell's, and they got an open board in front of the thing. Not an open sign, an open board. Look.
We're not rich yet, so we don't be wearing Gucci and even Martin and shit like that. Like the whole know they ain't rich.
She said.
So, you know, we shop.
Not too much on my message though. Y'all, so we came back to the house like, what time is it? It's 2:50. We came back to the house 2 hours ago. Guess what we've been doing for them 2 hours? You see all this hair on me? We were shaving her dog. And I feel like it's hair everywhere. I'm like, I'm ready to go in the shower. And she's not even done. She's not done. I had to leave because look at all this hair. Like, what? But I'm about to go take a shower and get ready. And see like a hot pimple right here on my face. And this one too. Because why does one that be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah. So that's all I wanted to tell y'all. I'm back. A lot has happened. I went to go get dressed. Well, sort of kind of dressed. I'm not going anywhere, so like I just have like a shirt on and some shorts and some slides. It's 4:55 right now.
So where are my makeup bags? Are they in the bathroom?
We everybody's here, you know, chilling. I'm gonna go see everybody, but it's gonna have to be muted because I think music out there. So the music I play on here, it might be like, girl, what are you playing? But I just have to play that for right now, okay, guys? Okay. Hey, you say hi. So yeah, y'all, this is how we looking. Yeah. Girl.
You're supposed to say it again.
No, yeah. Major. She's taking pictures. I'm not, because I just don't want to. Okay, y'all, so everybody was doing makeup and stuff, but look, she here now. She put her lash on.
Oh, I look you.
And Sana just being Sana. Right, Sana?
With a big butt.
No big butt. No big butt. So,
Thanks, Nani.
oh, thank you. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna be ending my vlog at home. So I was at Bessie's house and I was supposed to make cornbread at her house where I can eat it, but I didn't. So I'm gonna make it right now. I'm so sleepy. I don't know, y'all. So, but I'm gonna make it right now. I'm listening to music. It's 8:25. I'm listening to Just Mike by Summer Walker. But yeah, so let's get it. So we got cornbread mix. But my secret ingredient, I'm never gonna tell you guys my secret ingredient to my cornbread mix. I'm sorry. So yeah. Even though my secret ingredients requires more than what my cornbread mix requires, I'm just gonna still use the same as the cornbread mix, like it's all the same amount and stuff like that. So like that. So y'all, I bought this a long time ago, but I use it every now and then. Like, it stays because at the top of the counter, because it's mine. Like, this is mine. I use this, somebody else, because I'm that baker for real. Stop playing. So I'm literally just like eyeballing it because I have like a lot of mixture in here, and every time I was eyeballing it, 2 eggs and milk. Like, be for real. So this is the only pan I got at the moment. I'm gonna eat the rest. I'm gonna eat this. So the oven was already on 350. So you got to put that beef. You know, that ain't hot enough. I do is I'm gonna go eat the leftover food that I had put up for me. And I'm gonna eat this because I said I was going to, so I'm going to. Overall, I ate my day. I ate accidentally. It was 8. The food was so good. Y'all like my new jacket? Good vibes. But we're gonna set a timer for. We're gonna do 15 minutes at first. We're gonna come back and check it and go do it again. So 15. And we're gonna come back when it hit 10 and check it. And we're gonna come back after 5 minutes, okay? Y'all, right now, I'm just putting some marshmallows on there because they asked for some. So I'm just putting them on there and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for like a few seconds so the marshmallows come out on top, you know? Marshmallows come out on top. I'm gonna take it out. So y'all, when I say put it in there for a couple seconds, I literally meant a couple seconds, okay? The marshmallows just gotta melt. The marshmallows just has to melt. See? Like a gingerbread house. Sort of, kind of. But yeah. So that's the end of my vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. You feel me? More videos are coming soon. My brother burned himself. But yeah.